Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the host. Install Docker 20. 10 Plus and Docker Compose v2 so containers run reliably. Create a dedicated Nextcloud user and reserve 10 to 20 gigabytes for data, then map that directory into the container. This keeps data persistent. Open ports 80 and 443 and secure SSH access so you can manage remotely. Once these prerequisites are in place, you'll create a Docker Compose file and define services. Make sure to set strong passwords and environment variables before launching. You now write the Docker Compose. IML, add an app service pointing to the official Nextcloud image, a database like Postgres or MariaDB, and an optional reverse proxy such as Nginx or Traffic. Bind volumes for /var/www/html and the database's data directory to persist files. Export environment variables, Postgres DB, Postgres user, Postgres password, and Nextcloud trusted domains so containers can talk securely. Once defined, run Docker Compose pull and Docker Compose update. You finish by completing web-based setup or running awk from the app container to create the admin user and set file permissions. Enable HTTPS through your reverse proxy and obtain certificates with Let's Encrypt to secure traffic. Once running, configure cron and external storage as needed. If something fails, check Docker logs for the app and database containers, verify DB credentials and volume mounts, and confirm ports are not blocked. One key tip: if migrations fail, stop the stack, fix permissions, then restart to let migrations complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.